Do you cook at home?
Yes,
No, you don't.
I am.
Mommy lets you cook?
Yes.
Well,
She
you're doing a
said
good job with the pancake.
Yeah.
Can you flip it over?
yes.
Okay.
Mr. Krabs, I'll do it. Send me to retrieve that formula.
Don't mess it up. Here, Grandma help you. Now, flip.
He's now stored in a safe deposit box in the ocean's largest, safest bank.
There you go.
Way far out town, Ben.
That pancake looks ready.
To the box, eh, Mr. Krabs?
You remember how we take it off the fire?
This is the candy heart.
You got to put this down over here on the plate. See? And then you pick it up. Pick up the pan with your hand right here. And just slide it onto the plate.
You must have let it out of your sleep.
Good girl.
To you,
You did a good job.
to the future.
Now the pancakes are all done.
I humbly accept this
Okay?
gift and vow to guard it with my very life.
Smile.
Shan't leave it my sight.
Say, I cooked breakfast.
I cook breakfast.
All right.